Tell me the story.
The story is, it took all these young boys to get me. I got 10 wins, you know what I'm saying? Check that. Ain't lied about now one of them, you know what I'm saying? And so everybody knows I'm Big Daddy. You used to call me heavy, but today they call me light. I had a lot of money, but I put it in the pie, so that's why I can't win nothing. Yeah, but I'm the booger.
Where you from?
Yeah, where I'm from? I'm in the Bay Area.
Bay Area?
I live in Los Angeles. Young heart.
How you been riding?
54 years.
54 years?
Started riding 1949. You know what I'm saying? Been riding the Bay Area since 1955.
And what's the largest club right now that's in existence? The largest black club?
Well, it's hard to say now because, you know, these clubs come up overnight. But, you know, I can tell you the oldest ones.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, right now existing would be the Dragon. They started in 1959.
And the whole country?
And the DO, they started in 1958. You know, Chosen Few, they said 600, but they come to my house in 1962 was the first room. Come looking for heavy.
Okay, is he?
Yeah, the little black boy with a bone in his back. They had to put a pork chop around their dog, around their neck, so the dog to play with them. You know, that's how long they've been going.
So you want to give a shout out to somebody? You want to say something to somebody out there?
Well, I just want to tell everybody else that Big Heavy lost his crown, but I'll be back in October.
Well, who took your crown?
Big Fred from the rivalries.
Where is he at?
Right down here.
Come on, let's go get him.
Let's go get him.
Let's go get him.
Come on, Fred, so I can tell. No, come on. Heavy! Well, oh man, what kind of shit is this? Nigga, you got more motherfucking problems, you understand, that you want it or what? You done beat me, now you scared to talk. What kind of shit is this? You ought to be glad I'm telling the man you beat me. Cause I'm putting a foot in your nasty ass when I come down there in October. Shit. Come on over here, nigga. You understand? Shit.
Take a picture of that.
Yeah. Take a picture of this. Yeah, he don't want, he's one of them Crips. He don't want nobody, that nigga the Crip. He don't want nobody to know. That nigga the Crip. You understand? He think a blood gonna see it. That nigga want it, man. Come on over here, you big fat funky motherfucker. Come on over here. Golly breath motherfucker. Come on over here. Hey, Fred. Fred. You good grip, golly breath motherfucker. Come on over here.
So would y'all race a quarter mile? Would y'all race a quarter?
Yeah, we raced a half a mile. But you see, I should have been somewhere looking for a cut rate dinner. You understand? And still fucking with dinner. I'm 70 years old, you know what I'm saying?
How bad he beat you?
He beat me about 5 or 6 back lane. He dogged me out. I know his license number by heart. A few black riders. You know what I'm saying? I'm the founder of Soulbrothers. That bike up thing that they did, them niggas cut me out and put another star with a Soulbrother patch on out of jealousy. My book will be out in September. You know what I'm saying? I got a writer. You know what I'm saying? During my book. You know, I'm the one got the story. I can tell you about all of them started. You know, can't read or write, but I know every nigga is when his motorcycle started. And what he ride, who was fast and who was slow. I know that.
What about a guy named Big Willie? Heard of him? Big Willie?
Big Willie from the Dragon. He was Big Willie. Was the one that I'm thinking about had the out of Fresno.
He's a street racer in LA at one time.
Yeah, Big Willie. I remember Big Willie. You know, had the street racer.
Yeah. Had
the patch look like a Hell's Angel patch.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Son and all them come down there. You know what I'm saying? And told them they had to remove that. You know, I started hanging and racing the Angels in 1955. You know what I'm saying? In 55, I met Sonny Barger in 1957.
But what do you mean they made him take off the patch off their bike? What do you mean you said they made him take off the patch?
Because they had red and white. The car club had the patch look like a Hell's Angel.
Wow.
And they said that they had to remove that. Yeah, Big Willie and all of them. That I see that happen in Fremont Drag Strip. You know, I was the first black to race Fremont Drag Strip with a motorcycle. Had Moon Bay, 1956. You know, they didn't give me, just like you didn't get your prop, they don't give me mine. I beat more men on motorcycles than another black dude in Northern California and Southern California. In 1967, June of 1967, we started. We got a patches in September 1967. 36 years ago, I started Soulbrothers. My name, if it hadn't been for me, it wouldn't be no Soulbrothers. I'm the only one. You hear what I'm saying? So now, anytime, if you want to know anything about any bike club, ask me. I memorize it. You know, I got haters, you know what I'm saying? They don't want to give me my props, but I got it. You hear what I'm saying? Talk to me and I can let you know all of it. You know what I'm saying? I'm the only black man that you know that Hell's Angels and all the white club respect. Because I got Hell's Angels on the knees bound to me racing. Right here. I'm the big daddy. You understand what I'm saying?